afternoon and welcome. Welcome to N8 Essentials Product Corner. My name is Michelle. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I come here every week to help you become the aromatherapist in your own home. And this month, which is September, is super exciting. I just love this because if you're brand new, you don't have to know how to make lotions. You don't have to know how to make body wash. You don't have to know how to make shampoo. All you have to do is have a supply of essential oils, and I'm going to show you how you can dilute those into your products for different needs that you have throughout your home. So this is super exciting. N8 Essentials is a USDA certified organic essential oil company. So all of their essential oils are USDA certified, United States Department of Agriculture. That means that they have submitted themselves to the testing of the soil even before the plants are planted, and that nothing has touched that essential oil in its natural habitat, and no chemicals are used in the distillation of the essential oils. So you have peace of mind that these essential oils are pure, not only pure, but that they're also very potent. They're third-party tested, and so I'm just so excited to be sharing that with you, and so that you can have peace of mind that you're getting a great essential oil for a fair price. But our naked products are pretty awesome too. Did you hear that squeal? Naked. Anyway, so I wanted to call this the Naked Month, and they nixed me, and I definitely understand why. I'm sure that you do too. But let's talk about these products, because not only are we going to use them all month, but we're going to show you how to use them, and they're an amazing price. So don't wait. Order this week so that you can have them for the next 3 weeks. So we are going to, this month we have our Naked Lotion, and that's what we'll be working with this week. We have our Naked Body Wash. We have our Naked Shampoo, and we have Naked Conditioner. These are all great products to use, and to use with your essential oils. They're already all set for it. And so go ahead and order those. Retail, they are $72, okay, for all 4 products, which is actually a very fair price for the quality of the product. However, if you pay a one-time fee of $25, that's it. One time, not yearly, not semi-annually. No, you don't have to place an order every single year. If you pay $25 one time, you will receive these for wholesale, which is $54. So that's almost your $25 savings. But it gets even better than that. I feel like an infomercial, sorry, but it does. It gets even better than that, because this month they're giving you an additional 15% off, so you can get all 4 products for a total of $46. So go ahead and order those. If you've been invited to this product corner, there's a shop now button, and let's get started with our lotion. This is N8 Essentials Naked Lotion. It is luxurious. It is, you know what I really like about this is that I had my own company, and I have my own lotion. But this one is lovely. It is actually formulated for blending, and it is thick and luxurious, and I think I have the lid still on it. Of course that would happen. Yes. So that's the brand new one. So let's use this one. So it is very, very thick. And you can hold your bottles upside down, which is wonderful. And what I love about this is you can use the lotion all by itself. So you are not wasting your product. Like when you go to these corner drugstores or to the big blockchain stores, you're always having to choose between what's the scent. But we all know that we're moody with our scents. So what I like about this is that if you need something and you don't want an aroma, this is a great lotion for that. Also, it's quicker absorption. Oils tend to be heavier, butters are super heavy, so this will actually make sure that the essential oil goes right where it needs to go at the time it needs to go there. So let's actually talk about what we can do with this Naked Lotion, because that is what's super exciting. So this one bottle and your essential oils. Now, you don't need all of these. I'm an essential oil. I don't want to say snob, but I love them, and we use them, and my children use them all day long. So we have a nice array, but really this is a great array to have. You don't need 60 essential oils. You need a core few, and blends are really great. So this lotion and these oils can give you respiratory support, muscular support, emotional support, sleep support, joint support. digestive support. Everything is in this bottle and these oils. So what you just really want to know is how is it going to work? So let me just show you a very simple way. So I'm walking by and I'm like, my hands are dry, but I'm not in that great of a mood. So I think I'm going to use lemon. I'm not in that great of a mood, and I really want to get energetic, right? So I'm going to take a little bit, like that's not even a teaspoon. I'm going to be all lotioned up today, am I not? And I'm just going to drop 1 drop. Now that's okay to do, and then rub that in. Now I'm going to have to sleep because this is a really great lotion. I should have worn shorts, right? So I almost made a bad joke about being naked. So that's it. That's it. So simple. It's topical application. It's lovely. I'm actually moisturized. I feel nourished, but at the same time, I have Energize, which is a blend that N8 Essentials carries. What's great about this Energize is that it's great after lunch if you just really need that pick-me-up. It goes through your olfactory system and into your limbic system, and it does create a physiological response, which will create more alertness. So I love that. Now, I have my mother who absolutely loves this Breathe blend. Breathe Easy. It's marvelous. It can actually open airways. But if you have sensitive skin, you really absolutely should always dilute. Not only does it cost more, I'm getting a kick out of this because I'm going to put this on my chest. So now I'm using more oil, right? And that's okay because guess what? It's diluted. So then you can put that on your chest to open your airways. Look, I just used 1 drop. And there I have it. So you could do that for your husband and for your children and put it under their t-shirts. And if they're starting not to feel well, and put it up over their nose and let them breathe in that vapor. And it's wonderful. So, okay, so let's get to blending. I am bringing a tablespoon. And the reason I am is that when you start blending, you absolutely should never blend in big batches like this. The reason is that when we're brand new with blending, we tend to either overuse, underuse, and quite frankly, we can get some pretty bad smelling aromas going when we don't really understand our essential oils. So my recommendation is always to start small. And you have your little dollar store jars, and we're going to set that down and say, okay, what do I think that I would like to take care of? What exactly would I like help with? Now, I just want to share with you that if you're already a preferred customer with N8 Essentials, you will have access to this. But for all of our customers and our advisors, we actually have created a blending chart with all of our essential oils that tell you which essential oils blend well. So we'll be going over this all this month, which ones blend well together so that you can know. You don't have to be an expert at top note, middle note, or base note. We also have a great chart for your physical well-being. So if you have a body system that needs support, we know those essential oils that are very good at supporting that body system so that your body can work on itself, and it kind of helps put you at rest and at ease. So we also have an emotions chart. So these will all be available for all of our preferred customers. So if you haven't hit that shop now button, those, and actually we have a dilution chart that we are going to include. So we'll be using this dilution chart all month. So if you're not already a preferred customer, you should join, pay your $25. It's worth those pages just alone. So we're going to look at our dilution chart, and 1 tablespoon is actually a 15 ml bottle. So for those of you who don't know, this is a 15 ml bottle. There are 5 ml bottles in essential oils and 15 ml. So 5 ml is 1 teaspoon. So 3 of these bottles equals 1 15 ml, and this is equal to a tablespoon. So what we're going to do is use 1 tablespoon of lotion. Now, what might I want to do today? Today, I actually do feel like I would prefer to have a little bit of just a feeling, an alleviation of supporting my joints, especially because I wear shoes that probably aren't so great. So I am going to go to the musculoskeletal system, and I can see here that clove is good and cypress is good. And you know what? So I can take those essential oils, put them out down on the counter, and we are going to make myself a blend. Oh, marjoram is really good for that. Cypress is great. We also have, I just see so many things. Peppermint is wonderful. And you know what? One of my favorite for exhaustion is basil. And then you can use your common, which is clove oil is really good. And there's just so many oils, so make sure that you get a hold of that chart. So I have with me basil, and I know that bergamot blends well. So I'm looking at my little chart, and bergamot is also good for the muscular system. So I'm going to do basil and bergamot. Ooh, and yes, I'm going to do marjoram. And I'm only going to use those three because less is more sometimes. So if I know that I'm doing a tablespoon of lotion and I really want to start out at only 1% because we don't want to waste it, it's really, we can do 2%. We're going to do 2 drops of each essential oil. Now you do not have to make this blend. Again, this is a month all about learning and understanding. So if you'll notice, I'm putting them directly into the bowl. And normally I would have put the lotion in there, but so I would have put a little bit of lotion. So I'm going to put only 2 drops of each. Then I'm going to take my teaspoon. And again, aromatherapy is an art and a science. If you have a popsicle stick, use it. If you have a makeup, these are really great. I love these. These are really good for spreading, and they're spatulas for makeup. So what I'm going to do is originally I would have just put 1 little dollop in there and then put the oil in and started to mix it. Now, here's what's really important about lotions. Lotions are going to break down with the essential oil if your dilution rate goes too high. So it is important to try to keep it at 1 and 2 and 5% at the max. If you start getting to 5% and it starts to get very liquidy, that's why you want to add slowly. Now I know that I am okay here. And this is the one thing I really like about using N8's lotion is that it is a thicker consistency, so it can actually manage the essential oils. If you go to some of these stores where they have unscented lotion, that you might be able to put it in at 0.5%, but then the lotion tends to be pretty liquidy, and it will go down. So now I can smell this already. I love the basil. The basil is very nourishing to me. And look at how much that is. That is a lot. So, and I can't encourage you enough to keep it small. This is the whole point. Now, actually, I do want to put this on. So, anyway, as I'm doing this, just put that baby right on, and it will give you a cooling sensation, which is wonderful. You can use it for after you work out, before you work out. You can use it. Sometimes I use it before bed. I love that sensation before I go to sleep. So now I have created a blend. Now, if you have a shot glass, go ahead and use a shot glass. The other thing is that you can get these little 1 ounce or 2 ounce bottles. So in the next week or so, I would love for you to pick some of these up for our following weeks of our product corners. I could really talk forever. I really wanted to do a great peaceful sleep blend. We could do that really quick if you'd like. Actually, I think that would be good. So again, remember, we're just going to put a little bit in there, and you can fill it on your tablespoon if you want to. Again, it's just like cooking. Everyone out there who's cooking, typically, you kind of get a good understanding of what a tablespoon is. So I think a great sleep support to help you relax is a lavender and vetiver. Fantastic. 1 drop of vetiver to every 2 drops of lavender. And then if you use your blending chart and you have your vetiver, you will see that another great thing that is good with it is orange. And orange is a wonderful, wonderful feel-good citrus essential oil. So I'm going to use 2 drops of orange, 2 drops of lavender. Again, you are welcome at any time to push that shop now button. I don't think I'll go away on you, but this is one of those things that you should do. Vetiver is a really, really thick essential oil. I'm going to show you a trick. So I have a toothpick because you really don't want to waste your vetiver, but it is a really thick essential oil. So you can pop it off with a knife, and I'm just going to get like a nice big dollop of it on my toothpick. That could be, and I'm going to blend. And then I'm going to take it out with my toothpick. So you really want to pop that top on vetiver. Sometimes the orifices are good with vetiver, but a sign of good vetiver is a real thick essential oil. So just know you never really need that much. This smells wonderful. And I realize that you stayed with me 15 minutes. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. N8 Essentials is a wonderful company offering USDA certified organic essential oils. And we really are committed to helping you become the aromatherapist in your home. Again, remember, go ahead and order these products today so that you can have them for the next couple of weeks. We're going to be talking about the Naked Shampoo, how to use that with different oils, Naked Conditioner, and our Naked Body Wash, which is my absolute favorite because everybody is moody. So now I have continued to, this is great. This is so good. I'm going to put on this. So now I have an errand to run. And when I go, I am sure that people are going to because they're going to smell my chest, my hands, and my wrist all in one. Good thing I'm not going to church today, right? All right. So anyway, thank you so much for joining us. You can be the aromatherapist in your own home. It's just the most exciting thing. Make sure that you get your resources, your dilution chart, and hopefully these are a couple little tips. And then throughout the month, I'll give you more. But go ahead and hit that shop now button. You get the whole bundle, which is normally $72 for only $46 with our preferred customer. And we are so glad to have you as our customer. You matter to us, and essential oil quality matters to us. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.